What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to an update on Cardano, which I haven't done in a very long time. I know that there are a lot of Cardano and ADA, which is the main token, the main currency of the blockchain, holders in and around Cilinix Crypto. So wanted to do a quick update today, but in my defense, I mean Cardano hasn't been very bullish in the last few days. We almost had no reaction to the inflation rate and the interest rates. And we've just been consolidating, and I'm scared to even look at the volume. It's not been going too well with Cardano. Volume right now is under 2% of the market cap, which isn't the lowest I've seen it. But if you compare this to the last 3 months, I mean, you can definitely see that ever since the FTX drop, something changed with Cardano. I have to say that something changed with the entire market. All right, so this is obviously not purely based or this is not purely a Cardano problem. But yeah, just kind of zoning out, it does look like we've entered the real bear market right now. But yeah, so that is what Cardano is doing just fundamentally. If we take a look at the technicals, what you can see is that basically ever since FTX, we have actually been in a downtrend. And you can clearly see that if we actually take a look at this, you can see that we have been making lower highs basically ever since the 15th of November after the drop. Have been making lower highs, and then last week, Tuesday, when we got that lower than expected inflation rate, made another lower high, and we actually didn't manage to break above the 100 EMA, which is the silver line. And then on the other side, on the support side, we have been holding our support levels pretty decent, I'd say. Our main support level is around 30 cents. Now you need to extend that a little bit down to like not 29.5 cents. You could do that. You could do something like this, and perhaps we should. But it's basically around 30 cents. That has been our major support ever since also the 15th of November, but we hit it the 21st of November. So what you can then clearly see is that we got some sort of a descending trend or descending triangle, right? And I usually don't really like using formations like that, but in the end, that is what is happening. So whether we are going to, I mean, normally in a structure like this, you would probably from here start moving up once more, and then drop down, get a bearish breakout, and drop down to our next support level, which is evidently around 28 cents. All right, I mean it's practically this entire level between 28.5 and 26.5 cents, but 28 cents really is the strongest level, which would probably hold. However, I think I think we still have the possibility to do something more bullish with Cardano. I don't think there's a possibility of an uptrend or a rally for Cardano. Yeah, I don't think that's possible given the fundamentals and given the technical state of Cardano. But I do think that we will find support here at around 30 cents once more. That will move up to 31 cents, find resistance there, take a break, retest. And I do think we'll be able to actually get back up. And the reason why I think that, and that's purely based on fundamentals, and that's because Cardano right now is still pretty correlated with Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's moving a lot less than them, but Cardano overall is bullish when Bitcoin is bullish and is bearish when Bitcoin is bearish. And I think the fundamentals for the entire market, especially the economic fundamentals, are just better than a drop down to 28 cents. All right, so I do expect Cardano to hold us right now, get up to at least this resistance level around 31.5 cents, and 32 cents even seems too high. And then from there, we'll see if we can actually, I mean, from here, we're probably going to drop back down to the 30 cents, 29.5 cents area. And, but I do think it will hold. I think Cardano still is a strong currency. Obviously, I could be wrong, but given the technicals and the fundamentals, I would think it was pretty out of line if we would have a bearish breakout soon. Unless Bitcoin actually drops down to 16,000 again, I mean, then we will have that, but those fundamentals or those market circumstances is not something I'm expecting. So yeah, that's my take on Cardano today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.